Your Nifty made a new high. Your portfolio is bleeding and you're wondering what's wrong. Nothing's wrong except you've been looking at the wrong number. Today we talk about market breadth. Nifty India traders ignore at their own cost. This single concept will change how you read every rally and every crash. The index is a weighted average. Just 5 or 6 heavyweight stocks can drag the entire Nifty up while 40 others are falling. The headline lies, the breadth tells the truth. Most retail traders only watch the index. They miss the rot underneath. By the time the index finally catches up to the breadth, the damage is done. Their accounts are already down 15%. They keep wondering, but the market is up. Why am I losing? Because the market wasn't up. Only the index was. Market breadth answers one simple question: how many stocks are actually moving with the index? If the index is up 1% and 80% of stocks are up, strong, healthy market. If the index is up 1% but only 30% of stocks are up, fake rally. It's being carried by a few names while the rest are sinking. This is the most undertaught concept in Indian retail trading. The IPL analogy fits. Your team's score might say 180, but if only one batsman scored 120, your team is fragile, one wicket, and the score collapses. Markets work the same way. A narrow rally is a fragile rally, and fragile rallies break. Three bread tools every Indian trader should know. First, the advanced decline ratio. Number of advancing stocks divided by declining stocks on NSE. Above 2 is bullish. Below zero point 0.5 is bearish. Around 1 means indecision. Check this at 3 p.m. daily. Second, the percentage of stocks above their 200-day moving average. Above 60%, broader market is in an uptrend. Below 40%, downtrend. Below 25%, accumulation zone, historic lows. Third, new highs versus new lows. When 100 stocks make a new 52-week high and only 5 hit a new low, the market is genuinely strong. These three tools cost you nothing. NSE publishes the data. You just need to look. Now, the practical bit. Breadth filters your trades. If you're about to go long on a nifty breakout, check breadth first. If less than 50% of stocks are above their 200 DMA, the breakout is fragile. Skip the trade or reduce size. If 70% or more are above, the breakout has fuel. Trade it with conviction. Same logic for shorts. A breakdown with strong breadth deterioration is real. A breakdown with healthy breadth is usually a fake out. Institutions buying the panic. This is the difference between trading the index and trading the market. Market breadth. Nifty India traders use this to avoid the fake moves that drain their accounts month after month. Look at Nifty. The index kept making higher highs. The headlines were euphoric, but the percentage of stocks above their 200 DMA was falling from around 60% to around 35%. That's the divergence. The index was rising on the back of 3 or 4 heavyweights. The rest of the market was already correcting. Anyone who only watched the index thought the bull market was alive. Anyone who watched breadth saw the trap. Soon after, the index corrected sharply. The breadth had been warning for weeks. Screenshot this. The velocity rule for market breadth, 5 non negotiables. Build this into your weekend review and you'll see the market through a completely different lens. The index is the story. The breadth is the truth. If this changed how you see the market, hit subscribe. See you next time.